Hi, good morning everyone. This is Anna, one of the leader in CryptoMagnet community. Today I will going to create a video tutorial on how to register a new account in CryptoMagnet using the referral link that we have and the username that we use into the system. But before we proceed to the whole procedure of registering new members under our own structure, this is the official website of our system, which is https://cryptomagnet.net. So after clicking or inputting this official website to the new browser of your gadget or computer, you can see all the necessary information you wanted to know about this platform. So just read it and explore everything. Well, anyway, guys, our CryptoMagnet focus on innovative banking system which use Ethereum and Bitcoin. So this is the first CryptoMagnet community. This is the first currency, or I mean the cryptocurrency community which using Ethereum, because probably we all know that most of the community just only focusing in Bitcoin, but this CryptoMagnet, they have Ethereum investment, or what we call this Ethereum process, if you wanted to use this platform. So for now, we are going to proceed the registration process, which is by clicking the sign up button here, and then you can see the necessary information needed for the registration of new account, which is the email address, the password, then confirm the password, referral username, or the person who invited you. You need to ask the username. So after registering the account, you can receive an email coming from CryptoMagnet. And also, guys, you can click this login button if you wanted to log in your new account. But as I said, we need to register new account, so we need to go back to the registration process. So we have to input the details here, and then the password that we desire to use in CryptoMagnet. So just confirm it. And then the username of the person who invited to you in CryptoMagnet. So something like that. And then click this, I agree with the terms. So after that one, click the sign up button. So you will see that the system stated you need to verify your email. So we have to check the email. So I'm going to log in the email that I'm using for this registration process, which we are probably doing right now. So until that one. Okay, I input. Okay. So just check if you receive an email coming from them, or you can check it in the spam button. Okay, let's wait. Maybe it will take at least how many minutes before we receive the email coming from the platform. Just continue refreshing your own email, guys, until you receive the confirmation email coming from the system. Okay. We got it already. I saw it already. So just click it here. They're members, as they said, need to verify the email address that you use in the system, and then click to verify and complete your registration. Please click this link below. So you have to click it, and it will go directly to the information for the profile completion. So you have to input your desired username, and then the family name, and then the Bitcoin wallet address. Make sure you provided your Bitcoin wallet address, which probably you use for registration of this platform. So let's try to input the we call this, Bitcoin wallet address. Example like so after that one, click continue. Okay, that's probably goes to the main page. So this is the main dashboard, as simple as that. And then you will see your status is now non-member. You already had registered, but the system says set up placement details to upgrade to starter. So all you have to do is to click this portion here, and then click the upline info, and then username of your upline, make sure it is valid, and then this is the position, or you can choose also which among this, but probably we need to update this placement info. So update this one. Okay, that's the simple process of our registration and Crypto Magnet community. So I hope this video tutorial will gonna help you guys to register your new member, or you need to register your new account. So all you have to do also before you can upgrade into first level, which is starter, you must have to input this Bitcoin wallet address. Okay, as I said, we already have inputted the Bitcoin wallet address during the registration process. So you can change this one anytime and then click this update button. So when you wanted to upgrade into new member, you must have to purchase CryptoPass first. So I hope once again this video tutorial that I created today will gonna help the new members of our community. Once again, this is Anna. Welcome to Crypto Magnet.